Good morning, guys. This is my room view. This is where we were staying. Nice, decent place. We had ample parking behind and at front. I have to ride that Himalayan today. Prem will be riding the Scrambler. एक Expulse है, Himalayan है और एक but that another friend will be getting in some time. And this was our room. 3 people were sharing it, but one, Mahesh, our friend, left early yesterday. So all we were left is me and Prem. Packing is done. We just have to wear the gears and then leave. Just put those bags on the bag also, on the bike. I'm not sure which route Google Maps is taking us via. It's just me and my son Prem. I think Baki log got switched between Google Map routes, but this is going through some nice village, Mopa Airport. So this is going to come out at Mopa Airport or something. We've entered the Sawantwadi road, the road that goes to Sawantwadi, and so far it's been good. There was a small bad patch, but that was hardly like 10 meters or so overall. Climate at 8:30 is still quite cool. I just have to hunt for a fuel pump. We just entered the Amboli Ghat start. All the 3 adventure bikes are standing there. True competitors: Himalayan, ADV 390 and Scrambler. Kabir, Prem and myself. And we're having this vada pav. Kabir ka Maggie is getting ready. Next we'll stop up and have some chai again after the ghat. Nice small water stream. So we are at the start of Amboli. These boys just reached. Sanju, Fayaz, Alex. Our breakfast is done and we'll now stop at the top of Amboli. That road is not that great. There are a lot of broken patches like these. I mean, ADVs would cross it very easily, but if you have a sport bike, then you might face some trouble. Not that it is impossible, but you can do it. I love this breathtaking view compared to Anuskara. Woo, monkeys! Woo! And a big pothole. Beautiful, man, beautiful. I love Amboli. IBW2 I'll be coming to this route only. I can manage that. I mean, this small amount of potholes which we had. Most probably I'll be riding the Dominar. Waterfalls are still on. So we stopped again for a quick photo and will now move. ये मेरा थंबनेल भी हो जाएगा. The Amboli Ghat are pretty good. They are tarred at maximum places. Just one or two patches are there, like for 10 feet. One patch we found for 10 feet which was a broken or not good, but you can always slow down and pass from there. was talking about good roads, and all of a sudden we have concrete too. I remember last year when I was coming back from IBW, I had seen this getting prepared. Such a bliss. कैच यू चलेगा, ठीक है। हम लोग का फिर भी एक पेट्रोल हॉल्ट होगा, तब तक मे बी यू गाइस कैन कैच अप। हम आराम से खा के निकलेंगे। चलेगा चलेगा। So we just had lunch over here. Me and Prem reached first because we are trying to do the least stops possible and smallest stops possible so that I can reach office by 4:30. I don't want to do chutti today. Already taken too many chuttis. $39 divided by 11.66. Okay, Hotel Rajmarg. We halted for tea over here. Where are these boys? Don't know. Two beautiful machines. One more Himalayan also caught up. Not caught up, I would say. He's way ahead of us. He started after 10 or so and came via Anuskara, Navinder Singh, but he usually is a nice pace rider.
So many days have passed. I wait around for things to change, but change does not come fast. I'm asking all the questions, but then I question.
Almost reach Pune. This is Jambulwadi downstairs. Katraj Lake on the right, and trying to maintain the speed limit of 60 kmph. Else there were mamus behind, there were speed cameras behind. There were one van and 3 cameras on the top section. So my son is coming behind. I even told him to maintain the speed. Everything went well from Goa to Pune, and why screw up in the end? Feels great that he rode from Goa to Pune first. Maiden ride, 450 kilometers. I feel just awesome. He won the 3rd prize too. And with that said, I'll end this vlog here. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you in a new one very soon.